I'm Anil Belurkar.
This is Bhaskar Yashashvi.
I am Samarth Singhal.
I'm Sarthak Palwankar.
Soumya Bhattacharya.
Sanit Bhandari.
Pratik Pradeep Sawant.
Hello, my name is Abhishek.
This is Sumit Thawal.
I joined CMG Maritime Academy. Since day one, I started feeling confident. In CMG, the environment is very friendly, but at the same time, they make sure that you understand the things very well and your concepts are clear.
And one thing that stands out over here is amount of knowledge that you gain from faculties. It of course makes you clear your exams, but it also helps you in becoming a better maritime professional.
And I feel as students, we really do not know where to start when we're preparing for exam. That's where CMG came in for me. It really set a path which made my preparation very easy. It did not matter how much I knew from before. We always started from the basics. And the result was that I cleared all my exams in my first attempt. I feel a major portion of the credit for that goes to CMG and all their
I
faculties.
got the reference of CMG Academy, which is owned by Deepam Rastogi sir, from my relatives. He's also from the shipping background. So I went there and attended 3 free and trial classes. So I realized that this is the course made good which I have to follow for clear the examination and counteract the difficulties which we have to face in MMD exam. Teaching faculty of the CMG Academy is so talented, hardworking and dedicated. In the online classes also, the faculty taught us with the same dedication and enthusiasm. They cleared my all the doubts. They also conduct the mock orals and test for the confidence, to build up the confidence.
Working culture at CMG, it is disciplined, and you always get timely help from ever so courteous and experienced faculty who keeps track of your progress, and they are available for you 24/7, whether it is on WhatsApp, Zoom call, emails. So one thing you will also realize when you come at CMG is their study culture, the atmosphere, and the facilities which they provide you, such as computer-based studies, fully functional library which consists of all the latest and updated nautical publications.
It was very beneficial, these classes, because they have guided me every step of the way, and the faculty is very good and I'm very satisfied.
I must tell you guys, the faculty over here are very helpful and supportive. And they put a lot of efforts to clear your doubts, and a strong emphasis is given on concept-based learning.
1 year I know this institute and cleared my returns in first shot. These are exceptional and have not seen such kind of faculties in any maritime institute. Here the atmosphere is very good and they clear your doubts.
Faculty was good, and it was a very nice ambience and interesting study patterns.
Would like to thank Deepam sir and Praful sir for guiding me, for making my basics clear and also preparing me for the oral examination.
I thank Deepam sir, Rishi sir, and Praful Patil sir for their wonderful long online classes.
I really appreciate the effort which is taken by the faculty and Deepam sir for every candidate.
Everybody, thank you to Deepam sir, salute to you.
Many thanks to Deepam sir, Vinit sir and Praful sir.
So if you are planning to go for the exam, doesn't matter in India or in UK, the CMG Maritime Academy and your hard work is the best combo.
It is a worth it investment. Thank you.
Highly recommend you to join CMG classes as they have helped me tremendously in gaining confidence and overall growth, and clear my exams at the earliest. So thank you everybody.
To join CMG, to clear your competitive exams as soon as possible. Thank you.
I suggest all the struggling candidates to join this academy and save their precious time. Thank you.
I love to be a part of the CMG. Thank you.
I'm Captain Shashank Sharma, founder of Collar Camp Services Private Limited. I know Mr. Deepam Rastogi and CMG for over 3 years now. Who else other than a seafarer knows the value of time? Time is money. Very critical that we go through these examinations as soon as possible. I should clearly mark CMG and Mr. Deepam Rastogi for their success rate. The passing results of the candidates through CMG is actually the success story of the CMG through their innovative teaching skills. Keep the good work on. Thank you, Mr. Deepam. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Vivek Rastogi, Managing Director of Divine Ship Management, Marine Services Limited, R&D Marine as a Managing Director and Founder Member and Vice Chairman of International Maritime Federation. I know Mr. Deepam for last 3 years and his dedication and commitment towards his candidate and his never-ending desire to curve the best result in every passing attempt is unparalleled. CMG as an institution for me, the one of the best place and anyone who needs assistance and guidance in their examination process. Online session, great way to provide an open learning program for all those who are stuck at home with minimum option to enhance their knowledge. I heard by Bish, Mr. Deepam and his efficient team good luck with all their presence and future endure, and hope that many more of you can be a part of knowledge oriented program conducted by his institution in times to come. Thank you guys.
Welcome friends. My name is Captain S.K. Singhal. I joined Merchant Navy in 1976 as a cadet in T.S. Rajendra. During this long tenure of Merchant Navy, I have been associated with all facets of ship related, including MMD Surveyor, a faculty with T.S. Chanakya and Masa Institute. I have known Deepam Rastogi, who is the founder and director of CMG Maritime Academy. I have known him for 4 years and I have come to know about Mr. Deepam from the candidates who are appearing for their nautical grade examination. In the course which is being conducted is beneficial to those candidates, and the candidate, when he is preparing, some of the aspects which are not clear to him gets fine-tuned in this particular institute, and Mr. Deepam also takes care of arranging experienced faculty for clearing various type of small doubts or any doubts which come in the mind of the candidate, so that ultimately the candidates get benefited. I have personally seen my own son who could not appear for the examination when he completed the function course. Now, by attending this course in this academy, he immensely benefited and he attempted all papers in first attempt and passed all papers in first attempt. I wish Mr. Deepam a very good success in his endeavor, and I will continue to be associated with this institute for the benefit of candidates. Thank you, friends.